Welcome to Market King. In today's video, we're going to look at a subject that is very prevalent and relevant in the online trading industry, and that is the RevShare trap. Okay, so let's focus on this RevShare trap and let's dissect it and see why it is keeping your company stuck and struggling. Okay, so what I see a lot of trading companies do is when they hire someone that can make them more money, the first thing that they focus on is, can we do a RevShare deal? I'll give you 20%, 30%, even 50% of my profits of whatever you make for my company. And this is the killer right there. Why do I say this? If you hire a social media manager to create posts for your company, create reels for your company, do you also offer them a RevShare? How? It's impossible for you to offer a RevShare if all they do is actually posting, making your company look beautiful, and that's great, you need that. But what do? You pay them $1,000 for the service that's not directly generating dollars. Okay? Now, what's the problem with RevShare? A lot of sales and marketing people out there would say RevShare sounds great. Like, this definitely sounds like a deal. Okay? This sounds like a deal. But in reality, what happens if you offer RevShare to a sales and marketing expert that's doing their job to generate you more money? Okay? The problem with that is it's energy given without energy received. Now, what do I mean with this? Energy given from the sales and marketing expert. Okay? Energy given because they have to do the work to actually get their cut of the deal without energy received. All energy that they are receiving is a promise. Okay? So this is the trap. Don't fall into this trap, because what it's doing is demotivating. And if your company actually has a lot of potential, growth potential, and this sales and marketing expert is asking you $1,000 and you're currently generating 15K per month, then take this deal, because you are going to give that person, you're going to give that sales expert energy, which is the money, and that money is going to drive that person to actually get the sale. A lot of sales and marketing teams out there don't have one client. You're not their only client, okay? You're not the only person that they're working with. They don't depend on you. They depend on those that's giving them energy for the energy that they should give, okay? So if you want to stay stuck and struggling, then keep the mindset of 20%, 30%, 50%. That doesn't work anymore, okay? All that you're going to attract with this type of deal is beginners. People that's like, I can make you money. And they're going to test their skills on your product, and that's not what you want. You don't want testing done on your product. You don't want testing done with your communication and your sales and marketing efforts. That's going to be bad for your brand as well. You want to make sure you trust the person that can show the proof, what they have done in the past, and you want to trust them, give them the energy that they deserve so that they can give you the energy that they want to give you, okay? So you don't want to be a test dummy for some beginner sales and marketing person out there that's going to take this, okay? The serious guys are going to take this because they want the energy to actually give the energy. Yes, in theory, this sounds great, but they're already making money and generating money because they're receiving the energy to actually do their job. Now, another thing that RevShare is doing is, if a sales and marketing expert takes this RevShare deal, what happens? The company that's pitching this RevShare deal and the sales and marketing expert says yes, then the company hiring this person doesn't want to do what this person asks for. Why? Because they haven't given any energy for the service rendered. Okay? So think about this. When you don't take any risk at all, okay? You're not paying for anything. Someone is committing for this 20, 30, 50% that you're pitching. Then what happens? The company starts dragging their feet. They don't want to provide access to the things that need access for this person to do their job, okay? They don't listen to ideas and they don't implement. So who is taking all of the risk? The sales and marketing company is taking all of the risk with this concept, not you. So if you're one of those trading companies that says RevShare, you're going to be a test dummy, first of all. Your communication is going to be flawed. You're not going to see results. And you're going to drag your feet and not take this project serious. That's just how it goes. That's just the psychology behind it, okay? So energy given should be the equivalent of energy received, okay? And let me tell you one thing. If you're going to give that energy and you've got a powerful sales and marketing team, they're going to give you more energy than what they're actually receiving because they can do their job. There's no dragging feet, there's no access denied, or no ideas being objected. Okay? So you want to make sure you stay away from this because this is a lie, this is a trap. You're not taking all of the risk. The sales and marketing team is taking all of the risk. Okay? This is not a deal. So if you want to make this work and you still want to go with the RevShare concept, give your sales and marketing team a small base retainer. That shows you're interested and you're going to take the project serious because you actually gave energy, money for this project already. Okay? Now that's a different concept. If you can provide a small base retainer and then promise the actual RevShare, then it's going to be a success for your company. Okay? It's going to be a success. So don't fall for this, I'm only going to give you RevShare. No one's going to give their all for you because you're not going to give your all to them. So if you're serious about your business, pay people the energy that they are actually going to give to your company and grow your company and take your company to a whole new level. I've seen this times and times again, and you want to stay away from this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any other sales and marketing topic you want me to cover, and I'll get to work. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.